passage.
I understand.
Do you have a permit at all?
We're just exercising our
Okay.
rights.
Do you guys, do you have an ID card with you or driver's license with you or anything like that? What's your name?
My name's Sam.
Sam? Corporal McHugh. What's your name?
My name's Kelly.
Kelly? Okay. Are you guys local residents here or? You are? Okay. Okay.
It's a Fracked-Gas compressor station that Dominion wants to build at this site.
Yes, ma'am.
And the reason for that is that they want to send more gas down the pipeline that's already here, so
Okay.
they have to pressurize it and then shoot it down at a really high pressure. Compressor stations are really dangerous. They have a surprisingly high incidence of catching fire or exploding.
Okay.
And they also emit really carcinogenic and toxic air pollutants. They've been outlawed in New York at this point because of that. And tomorrow night there is a hearing at the Board of Appeals, the Charles County Board of Appeals, which will be the 7th hearing in this process to see whether
You plan on attending that?
I mean, it's my hope. To see whether Dominion gets a zoning special exception to build this project.
Right.
So they don't have their permits yet for actually constructing the project.
Yes, ma'am.
And so what we've been trying to do...
So what they're doing right now is all the prepping and stuff to get that started, right? Okay.
So what we've been trying to do through this whole process, you know, with lawyers and with, you know,
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
all the things,
Yes, ma'am.
is just getting that special exception denied.
Do not leave. You will be arrested. First notice.
You want right back?
We're letting her drive it home.